Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to new Dacia Bigster. We are sitting inside this new SUV from Dacia and I'm gonna show you in this video how to reset the tire pressure monitoring system. You can also apply this, what I will show you now, to the new Dacia Duster as well, as they have both this new system. So it's actually very easy to do it. Here is your home screen. And as you can see here, we have the shortcut for the vehicle. You go into this vehicle and you need to go to tire pressure. Now the procedure for resetting is here. It is explained to you. So at standstill, check and adjust the pressures of all tires when called to the recommended values. So check out the recommended values and then check the tires, check the pressures. And after that, reset the tire pressure monitoring system, which you can do here. So now I've checked it, it's all good, so we can press reset. So now it will ask you, did you check all tire pressures when called? Yes. Okay, so reset successful. So there you have it. I hope this helped you. And also subscribe to the channel to see more videos with the new Dacia Bigster and also the new Dacia Duster as well. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps once again and see you on the next one. Bye bye.